I'm tired of seeing it. So here we go.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverlee, and I am back with another video. As you see from the thumbnail and the title, yes guys, I'm here to help y'all. I'm here to help y'all. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to properly inflate a orbs balloon. If you guys are not familiar with what orbs balloon is, I'm gonna tell you guys in a minute. But this beautiful backdrop right here, don't worry about it. It's just a tutorial I made earlier. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, just go ahead and watch the video after you watch this one. It's gonna be the video before this tutorial. But before we get started, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and also leave me some comments in the comment section below. Thank me in the comment section below. But let's just get straight into this video. Okay, you guys, so if you're not familiar with orbs balloon, these are supposed to be a round sphere shaped balloons. A lot of times I see pictures or videos of you guys work or whatever, and these aren't inflated properly. I'm not even going to say y'all, because when I first started I did the same thing. So I'm going to save you guys the embarrassment and show you guys how to properly inflate a orbs balloon. People normally use a hand pump to do it, but I also have my electric pump here just in case. But when I'm inflating a lot of these balloons, like I've had events where I had to inflate over 30 of these balloons, so I started off on my electric pump, then I finish off with my hand pump. So let's just get straight into this video. And I'm gonna take my hand pump and start inflating this, and I'm gonna put some music over this part of the video because it can sound very annoying, okay? And you guys, it do take a lot of hand work and muscles. That's why I like to use my electric pump to start it off when I'm doing a lot of these balloons. But now do you know what balloon I'm talking about? Yes. This is how you guys balloon look on your work. And your work could be so beautiful, and then your orbs look like this. It takes away from it. I'm sorry to tell you, but it really does. It takes away from your work, because other balloon artists like myself, I know this is not how this is supposed to look. So when I look at your work and I see your orbs like this, I'll be like, oh man, this would have been a good picture if her orbs were inflated properly. I'm sorry, I be judging y'all. I be judging y'all orbs. I'm sorry, but I can't help it. That's why I'm here to help you. So a lot of you guys inflate your orb balloon like this. When you see the lines, that mean you can inflate some more. You should inflate until you cannot see these lines. Let me just say, these are Amazon brand balloons, so you will get the little line right there, like the little flap, but that is okay because anagram balloons, they aren't cheap, and to get this size of anagram balloons, I don't know where you're gonna get that because it's always sold out. I can barely get my hands on them. I can only get my hands on the 16 inches, but to get like the big 22 inch or a size like this, I don't know where you're gonna find it. I can't even leave a link below because it won't be in stock, period. So I'm gonna be using the Amazon brand balloons, and I'm gonna show you guys how to properly inflate these balloons. And I'm gonna be putting music over the audio every time I'm inflating because it sounds very bad. I know it's hard and it feels like it's about to explode, but trust me, it is not about to explode, okay? It was made to be round, so don't be scared. You don't want to present a balloon looking like this to your client, even though they probably won't know better, but we know. You can do it slowly if you're scared, like one pump at a time, you know, if you're scared, but just know you can inflate it more. And you're gonna see the lines on the side getting smoothed out as you pump more air into the balloon. It do look like it's gonna explode, but it's not. if you're putting these orbs outside, I do suggest that you leave a little bit of lines on it. Not so much that it looks like diamond shape, but I do suggest that you leave some line on it, because when you put foil balloons outdoors, the heat expands the balloon, so you don't want to inflate it all the way. If you're gonna have them indoors though, I do suggest that you inflate them all the way, because you won't have to worry about them expanding. But outdoor in the heat, it's gonna expand, so don't inflate it all the way when you're putting it outdoor. That's the only thing I suggest. And I know that the lines on it, I know these little flaps on it make it seem like it's like square shape or whatever, but it's just the brand of the balloon. Anagram balloons, you don't have these little lines. That's why I love them. But for the sake of this video, it's just a tutorial, I'm gonna be using the cheaper version. But it still looks the same. It still looks the same. Okay, you see, looking real nice already. I just gotta pump it a little bit more, just a little bit, just a little bit. I still have a little bit of line right there. You can leave it like this, because see, it's already looking round. It's already looking round, and it's already looking good. But I can inflate it some more, so I'm gonna inflate it. I'm gonna put like, I'm gonna do like 5 more pumps. Just 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can leave it like that. Definitely. Okay? You can leave it like that. And you see the big difference of how the balloon looked earlier and how it looks now? Don't this look way different? Like, don't this look amazing? Don't this look nice? Don't this look nicer? Like, why were you presenting those balloons to your clients? Like, why? 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 Okay, I'm just gonna leave it right there. But guys, this is how your orbs balloon is supposed to look. I don't know if the ring light is affecting how it's looking right now on camera, but I'm sure you guys can see it. But this is how your orbs balloon is supposed to look. All right. So let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful for you guys. Like this video, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. But I'll definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.